Hi, Steve Draper here in Bellevue, Nebraska. Well, it's just over 4 weeks after my heart bypass surgery, and as you can see, I am recovering very well. I'm able to start now moving some things into the expanded area of my workshop where I'm expanding, and I'm in that larger room right now. And first thing I want to show you that I've set up, that I've wanted to have for a while, is an education area in my workshop. And that's what this is. You see behind me here, I've got a flat screen panel TV on the wall up here. And then I have down here a DVD player and a VHS player so that I can watch any of the Shopsmith videos that I want to at any time, or anybody that's over here that I'm teaching on the machine, that they can watch videos here just as well. And so I'm going to bring this up closer to the camera so you can see some of the titles of the CDs that I have here. And Dottie will let me know when that can be read on the camera. So these are the DVDs I have here. I have the Shopsmith Mark 520 critical alignments video, Sawdust Session 1, Best of Hands-on Project Plans, Woodworking Tips PDF. I have the Shopsmith Labels Duplicator video, the Upgrading Your Shopsmith from a 500 to a 510 or 520. Oop, this one's upside down. Let me turn that over so you can read it. This is the Shopsmith Mark 5 520 Essentials, 2 videos. Mark 5 Maintaining and Repairing, 2 videos, and Buying and Restoring as You Use Shopsmith Mark 5, which all of these came from Shopsmith, these particular DVDs. Then I'm going to come behind the camera and come up closer so you can see what some of the VHS tapes are that I have. And so we'll just come up closer here so you can see what those are. And we'll bring this. So here you can see, these are some of the VHS ones I have. I have some of the Shopsmith Heirloom Projects, the Pendulum Cradle, the Shop Cabinet, Woodworking Essentials, Entertainment Center, and Hope Chest. That's not all the ones Shopsmith came out with. I'd like to acquire the remaining ones. If any of you out there have them or willing to part with them, I'd certainly be interested in purchasing them from you. And then there's 2 VHS tapes there that owners, when they got their 510, received with their machine. And that's these 2 that you see right here, this one and this one. One is Welcome to the Shopsmith Family, and the other, let me see what that says here. The other is Mark 5 Ultimate Woodworking System, which is basically a promotion for the unit itself. And owners, when they got the 510, received those videos with them. Owners no longer receive any type of videos with their machines when they buy them new. So here in that adjacent smaller room is where I keep all my documentation. Up here on this wall over here, I've got the Mark 5 instruction manual. That happens to be for the 510. I don't have a 510, but some people have questions, so I do have that manual. Then down below here, these here are all original hands-on magazines right here. I have over here some of the original Shopsmith shavings issues there. Here, these are all past Shopsmith catalogs that I have here. Some of the charts that Shopsmith had available. So that's what I have here on this side. and some just miscellaneous other things. Then okay, so over here on the other side on this shelf here, this is where I have all my other Shopsmith manuals for all the models of the machines, from the Mark V 500 all the way up through all the current machines. This is a Mark V 520 manual here. And then inside this binder here, I have some additional individual documentation pages that Shopsmith set out on different projects. This is the original 10-lesson self-study guide. The only reason I have that is for reference when people have questions. Then over here, I've got every issue of Power Tool Woodworking for Everyone. These here are all Power Tool Woodworking for Everyone. We've got every one of those issues. I also have the one here that was done for the Mark 7, Roman numeral 7. I have then here the original lessons by Spalding that he did back in 1956, which I used as a reference when I rewrote that course. And you can move the camera instead of moving my head. So then I've got the Popular Science Shopsmith issues here, every one of those. I've got here all of the easy to make projects that Shopsmith put out, 4 volumes of that. And then these are all other woodworking reference books that I have here. So this is my education center, this area here. Then, of course, here I have a telephone mounted on the wall, a landline in my workshop. In case some reason I need to use the phone, I don't want to pull out my cell phone, or Dottie wants to contact me down here and I can't hear her, she can call me on that landline. So that's a good thing to have in my shop also. So this is the education area of my workshop. So hope you found this valuable. We'll see you on the next one.